Land Rover owners, listen up. I've seen well-maintained SUVs turn into $5,000 nightmares overnight. Engine failure, collapsing air suspension, and electronics issues. Small habits quickly become major problems, so stay vigilant for reliable performance. 1. Skipping regular oil changes. Neglecting oil changes in Land Rovers, particularly on turbocharged engines like the Ingenium and supercharged V6/V8, is a costly mistake. These engines rely on clean oil to lubricate moving parts, and once the oil becomes thick and contaminated, it loses its ability to protect vital components. Over time, this leads to sludge buildup, which clogs oil passages and accelerates wear on bearings and pistons. A simple oil change every 5,000 miles using full synthetic oil can prevent major engine failure. Failure to maintain oil cleanliness can lead to engine knocking, which severely damages the internal components. One customer brought in a 2017 Range Rover with 120,000 miles. The oil was so thick, it barely drained, and the engine had scored bearings and a destroyed crankshaft, and it resulted in a repair bill of $5,200. Regular oil changes are not just maintenance. They are an insurance policy for your engine. For turbocharged models, the oil becomes acidic from fuel dilution and moisture, which corrodes seals and metal. The fix is simple: $100 for an oil change, but neglecting it can result in a catastrophic engine failure, costing thousands in repairs. Neglecting regular maintenance, such as oil changes, can lead to severe engine damage, resulting in repair bills of $5,000 or more for an engine rebuild. 2. Using the wrong coolant or mixing coolant types. Land Rover engines are equipped with sophisticated cooling systems designed to protect components from extreme temperatures. Using the wrong coolant or mixing incompatible types can be disastrous. Many owners mistakenly top up with a generic coolant without realizing that Land Rover's recommended OAT, organic acid technology, or HOAT, hybrid organic acid technology, coolants are specifically designed to protect aluminum blocks and gaskets. Mixing these types or using the wrong coolant results in corrosion and clogging of the cooling system, blocking the vital coolant passages that prevent overheating. One common issue is mixing the green and orange coolant types. Green coolants can corrode aluminum parts, and the result is a radiator and water pump failure. A 2013 Range Rover came in with its temperature gauge fluctuating wildly, and the coolant system was clogged due to a mix of coolants. The repairs included a radiator, water pump, and head gasket, totaling $4,000. A simple coolant flush with the correct fluid every 60,000 miles can save you from this expensive mistake. Always use Land Rover-approved coolant, and make sure it's topped up with distilled water to avoid mineral buildup. Ignoring issues with your vehicle's cooling system can lead to significant damage, with repair costs ranging from $3,000 to $5,000 for replacing critical components like the radiator, water pump, and head gasket. 3. Ignoring air suspension issues. Air suspension is a key feature in many Land Rover models, offering a smooth and adjustable ride, especially in off-road situations. However, this system is not immune to failure, and neglecting early signs of trouble can lead to major repair costs. One of the most common issues is air spring leaks. When the air springs begin to leak, the vehicle's ride height is compromised, causing the suspension to sag, which can lead to further damage, such as worn-out compressors and failed height sensors. Ignoring these issues can turn a simple fix into a costly repair. For example, a 2015 Range Rover Sport came in with sagging at the rear, and it was determined that the air springs had failed. The repair cost is around $2,800 for a full suspension rebuild. Regularly check the air suspension for signs of sagging, uneven ride height, or unusual noises from the compressor. Early intervention, such as replacing faulty components or sealing leaks, can prevent full system failure. Failing to address air suspension issues early can lead to a complete system failure, with repair costs ranging from $2,500 to $4,000 for a full suspension overhaul. 4. Believing sealed for life transmission fluid claims. Many Land Rover owners believe that their transmission fluid is sealed for life, but this is a misleading claim that can cost thousands in repairs. The ZF 8-speed transmission in models like the Range Rover and Discovery is a robust system, but it still requires regular fluid changes to maintain proper function. Over time, transmission fluid loses its viscosity and effectiveness, especially under high temperatures or heavy towing conditions. Ignoring the fluid change intervals leads to overheating, slipping gears, and eventual transmission failure. A 2014 Range Rover came in with 130,000 miles, shifting roughly. When the pan was removed, the fluid looked burnt and contaminated with debris. A simple fluid change and filter replacement could have prevented the $5,000 repair bill for a transmission rebuild. Regular fluid changes, every 60,000 to 80,000 miles, depending on the model and driving conditions, are essential. The fluid should be clear and slightly sweet-smelling. If the fluid is dark, burnt, or smells metallic, it's time for a change. Ignoring transmission fluid changes can lead to overheating and slipping gears, resulting in costly repairs, with transmission rebuilds ranging from $4,000 to $6,000, depending on the severity of the damage. 5. Letting timing chain issues slide. The 2.0 Ingenium engine in many newer Land Rover models is known for its performance, but it's also prone to timing chain issues. Over time, the timing chain can stretch and develop slack, causing the engine to misfire or make a rattling noise. If left unchecked, this can lead to catastrophic engine failure as the timing chain slips and damages the valves, pistons, and other vital components. One 2016 Discovery Sport owner ignored the rattling noise, thinking it was just a minor issue. The result is a complete engine failure and a repair bill of over $3,500. The timing chain should be inspected and replaced as needed, particularly if there are signs of rattling or poor performance. The fix is simple and cost-effective. Replacing a stretched timing chain can save the engine from major damage. Ignoring timing chain issues can lead to severe engine damage, with repair costs starting at $2,000 and potentially increasing depending on the extent of the damage to internal components. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Coming up next, we'll dive into why trusting cheap aftermarket sensors can lead to major issues. Stay tuned for the details in the following points. 6. Ignoring cooling system problems. Land Rovers, especially those with larger engines, are built for tough conditions, but their cooling systems need regular maintenance. A worn-out water pump or failing thermostat housing can lead to a number of serious issues, including overheating, blown head gaskets, and engine warping. Overheating can also damage other critical components, such as the radiator and cylinder head. A 2015 Range Rover with a faulty water pump was brought in with signs of coolant leakage, and the repair cost soared to $3,500 when the head gasket needed replacement as well. Regular coolant system maintenance is crucial. The water pump and thermostat housing should be checked every 60,000 miles, and the coolant should be flushed every 5 years or 100,000 miles to prevent sludge buildup. Replacing a worn water pump is a relatively inexpensive fix, but neglecting it can result in major engine damage. Failing to maintain the cooling system, such as the water pump or thermostat, can lead to engine overheating, resulting in repair costs ranging from $2,500 to $4,500 for fixing or replacing damaged components. 7. Running with a weak or dead battery. A weak or dead battery can lead to a cascade of electrical problems in your Land Rover. Electrical systems in modern vehicles like the Range Rover and Defender rely heavily on a stable voltage supply to control everything from sensors to transmission shifts. If the battery is not providing adequate power, the vehicle's ECU can malfunction, leading to a range of issues, including stalling, erratic sensor readings, and poor fuel efficiency. One 2016 Discovery had ongoing misfires and strange transmission shifts, all traced back to a weak battery causing voltage issues. Replacing the battery at $200 saved the owner from thousands in potential ECU repairs and sensor replacements. Always test your battery regularly and replace it when voltage starts dropping below 12.3 volts. A $200 battery replacement can prevent $2,000 plus in electrical system repairs caused by voltage issues. 8. Skipping differential and transfer case. Fluid changes. Land Rover's all-wheel drive systems require proper fluid maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. Failing to replace the differential and transfer case fluids at regular intervals can lead to excessive wear on the components, leading to total drivetrain failure. This is particularly important in models like the Discovery and Range Rover Sport, which have complex AWD systems that are put under heavy strain in off-road conditions. A 2014 Discovery Sport came in with a noisy transfer case, and the owner was faced with a $3,000 repair bill after the fluid was found to be old and contaminated. The solution is to replace the fluid every 50,000 miles for the differential and every 40,000 miles for the transfer case, depending on usage. Failing to maintain differential and transfer case fluids can lead to costly drivetrain repairs, ranging from $1,000 to $3,000. 9. Letting oil leaks from plastic housings and gaskets go unchecked. Oil leaks are a common issue in older Land Rover models, especially from the plastic housings and worn-out gaskets. While small leaks may seem insignificant, they can cause a buildup of oil on hot engine components, leading to dangerous fires or costly repairs. One 2012 Range Rover had a minor valve cover leak that, if addressed early, could have cost $200 to fix. However, the oil accumulated on the exhaust manifold, igniting during a drive. The repair bill was $3,000 for an engine rebuild. Regularly inspect for oil leaks, especially around the valve, covers, gaskets, and plastic housings. Catching a leak early could save you thousands in repair costs. Ignoring oil leaks can lead to significant damage, with repair or fire damage costs ranging from $500 to $2,000. 10. Trusting cheap aftermarket sensors and electronics. Land Rover models, especially newer ones like the Velar or Range Rover Evoque, rely heavily on sensors and electronics to control key systems such as engine performance, suspension, and air conditioning. Using cheap aftermarket sensors or electronics can lead to frequent error codes, malfunctions, and more serious issues, such as limp mode or total system failure. A 2015 Range Rover had recurring issues with the MAF, mass airflow, sensor, which was replaced with a non-OEM part. The result is increased fuel consumption and poor engine performance. Replacing these sensors with OEM parts is the best way to ensure proper function. Failing to address sensor issues or using cheap aftermarket parts can lead to costly repairs, with diagnostics and replacement parts ranging from $500 to $1,500 depending on the complexity of the issue. 11. Neglecting brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, causing corrosion in brake lines and calipers, which compromises performance. A 2008 Land Rover LR2 had a soft pedal due to moisture. A $70 fluid flush prevented $1,500 in repairs, highlighting the importance of regular brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid maintenance is essential for safe driving. A quick $70 brake fluid flush every 36,000 miles can prevent these costly repairs and ensure your braking system remains functional and reliable. Don't wait until the damage is done. Regular fluid checks are an easy way to protect your vehicle. A $70 brake fluid flush can prevent a $1,500 brake system overhaul caused by corrosion and damage from moisture in the fluid. 12. Not replacing clogged air filters. Land Rovers rely on proper airflow for optimal engine performance. When the air filter becomes clogged, it restricts the amount of air entering the engine, causing several issues. One of the most noticeable effects is poor fuel efficiency. A clogged filter forces the engine to work harder, leading to a drop in MPG and an increase in fuel consumption. This can be particularly frustrating in models like the Range Rover Sport, where performance and efficiency are key selling points. A 2015 Range Rover Sport came in with a clogged air filter, reducing fuel efficiency from 20 miles per gallon to 14 miles per gallon. Neglecting the air filter can lead to bigger issues, such as a malfunctioning MAF sensor, which can cause misfires, poor acceleration, and even engine stalling. Replacing the filter is simple but essential for avoiding costly repairs. A simple $50 air filter replacement could save you hundreds or even thousands in repairs, including a $500 to $1,000 cost for MAF sensor replacement caused by neglecting this simple maintenance step. 13. Overloading your Land Rover. Wear and tear on suspension. Land Rovers are designed for tough terrain, but overloading them can damage the suspension system. Exceeding weight limits, whether by overloading cargo or towing heavy trailers, stresses the suspension springs and air components. Over time, this leads to premature wear and failure of critical suspension parts, causing costly repairs and reduced vehicle performance. For example, a 2014 Range Rover came in with signs of excessive wear in the suspension system due to frequent overloading. The suspension components, including the air springs and shock absorbers, had been pushed beyond their capacity, resulting in a hefty repair bill of $3,000. The repair required replacing several components of the suspension system, which could have been avoided by respecting the vehicle's weight limit. To prevent such costly repairs, it's crucial to regularly check your Land Rover's weight limit and avoid exceeding it, especially when towing or carrying heavy loads. Keep an eye on the suspension's performance and address any signs of wear or unusual behavior immediately. Failing to monitor your Land Rover's weight limit can lead to costly suspension damage, with repairs ranging from $500 to $3,000, depending on the extent of the wear and damage to the system. 14. Running with low tire pressure. Low tire pressure significantly affects your Land Rover's performance, safety, and long-term costs. Underinflated tires increase road contact, causing uneven wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and higher rolling resistance. This forces the engine to work harder, increasing fuel consumption and accelerating tire wear, potentially leading to costly replacements if ignored. Regularly check and maintain tire pressure to avoid these issues. One 2015 Land Rover Discovery owner neglected to regularly check tire pressure, and the resulting uneven wear on the tires led to the need for a full tire replacement. The repair cost is around $1,200. Regular tire checks could have saved the owner from this costly repair, as simply maintaining the correct tire pressure prevents premature wear and extends the life of the tires. Check tire pressure at least once a month and more during seasonal changes, as temperature fluctuations can cause drops. Tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, are useful, but manual checks are essential for better handling, safety, and long-term savings. Neglecting tire pressure maintenance can cost you a lot. Just $100 for a tire inflation check could save you from spending $1,200 on new tires due to uneven wear and excessive strain. 15. Failing to check and replace worn brake pads. Worn-out brake pads are not just a safety hazard. They can also lead to serious and expensive damage to your Land Rover's braking system. When brake pads wear down, they lose their ability to effectively clamp onto the brake rotor, which is essential for stopping the vehicle. As a result, the metal parts of the calipers and rotors begin grinding against each other, causing significant damage. This damage can escalate quickly, leading to the need for much more expensive repairs. For example, a 2011 Land Rover LR4 came in with worn brake pads that had gone unnoticed for some time. By the time the owner brought it in, the pads had worn so thin that the rotors were severely damaged. The total repair bill came to a staggering $1,500 to replace the damaged rotors, in addition to the cost of new brake pads. To avoid this situation, brake pads should be replaced every 30,000 miles, or sooner if they show signs of wear, such as squeaking or reduced braking performance. Regular maintenance checks will ensure that brake pads are in good condition and will prevent unnecessary damage to the rotors. Replacing brake pads typically costs around $200, while neglecting them can lead to a $1,500 repair bill for replacing damaged rotors. And there you have it. Avoid these 15 mistakes, and your Land Rover will be on the road for years. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.